Hey everyone, quick update on the machine vision project that I've been working on over the past summer. You might recall that this began as a series of articles and videos on the Raspberry Pi platform, and because I was already using them for software-defined radio, it made sense to just go ahead and purchase an inexpensive camera and try that out as well, which is sort of where the project is headed. Separately, I've been using OpenCV to detect real and simulated objects, and because I can take footage from my own dash cameras, I figured why not try and detect a couple of cars with it as well. The algorithm for doing this is a cascade classifier, and its main advantage here seems to be that it's mostly a lightweight algorithm, meaning that we don't have to apply a lot of computational power to get results that are simply okay. As you can see from the footage, it's not perfect for this type of scenario. For starters, this model is optimized for vehicles that are facing directly towards the camera or very close, and if the vehicle is more than one lane away, it usually goes undetected. Secondly, this is mostly effective on sedans, and anything larger than, say, an SUV will also go undetected. Third, which I called out in my earlier video, there are a lot of false detections, namely the defroster, and while it would be easy to tell the Python program not to check there, that's really an ad hoc solution that I'm not too thrilled about, since I'm trying to build a solution with generality. Telling it to ignore parts of the screen would sort of be cheating that approach, so the project continues. Overall, it's not a bad start, and if nothing else, these detections might be able to tell a more powerful algorithm where vehicles are most likely to be. The good news is the latest set of steel parts just arrived, which will make the Raspberry Pi much easier to mount inside the vehicle. These are compatible with the new stepper motor, and really all I have to do is move one of the Raspberry Pis into this new casing. Now that autumn is here, it should be interesting to see if the changes in lighting and vegetation will make the detections more or less reliable. Anyway, if you found this useful, be sure to like, share, and comment. I'll be posting some of these test runs on social media throughout most of October. And speaking of October, our monthly poll on Patreon wants to know what type of power sources you use in your own projects. This ranges from conventional batteries to wall outlets, but it accounts for some other methods too. Stay posted for more projects in electronics, robotics, IoT, and communication systems, and as always, have a great day.